Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to remove your saved payment card from your TikTok ad manager without any stress on your phone. Let me show you how. Very first thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and open up my TikTok app. Having opened up my TikTok app, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select any post on your TikTok account. So I'm going to go ahead and select this post right here. Then having selected the post, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on More Insights. The next thing you want to do here is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Customize. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Mine. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Payments. Go ahead and click on Manage under the card. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on these three dots right here. Then go ahead and click on Remove right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about TikTok ads, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.